Welcome to our comprehensive HTML tutorial series, where you will explore the basic building blocks of web development, HTML tags. Whether you are an absolute beginner or looking to solidify your understanding of HTML, this course is designed to cover the essential of every tag used in HTML. Throughout this course, you will learn about essential HTML tags such as headings, paragraphs, lists, links, images, tables, forms, and many more. We will cover how to use these texts efficiently to create well structured and visually appealing websites. Whether you are looking to build a personal website, launch an online portfolio, or simply understand the language that powers the web, this course will provide you with the fundamental knowledge you need. So let's dive into and explore the world of HTML text together.